What is the keto diet? The keto diet consists of a low-carb and high-fat diet. In that case, your body is going to go through a phase called ketosis, where your body is going to burn fat for energy. There are several versions of the keto diet, but the most common is the SKD, which is the standard keto diet. It consists of 75% fat, 5% carbs, and 20% proteins. What are the benefits of the keto diet? It helps with weight loss, it controls your appetite, it can also control blood sugar levels, and it helps with digestive issues, so it can reduce gas, cramps, and constipation. What should you eat and avoid during the keto diet? You should avoid carb-based foods like grains, legumes, potato, rice, some candy, some juices because they are high in sugars, as well as most of the fruits except for berries and strawberries. Now, what can you eat during the keto diet? You can have food that are high in proteins, for example, meat, fish, eggs, some healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and of course all-based veggies that are low in carbs. What products should you take from Forever Living while you're on the keto diet? First, you need to take the Forever Aloe Vera Gel to clean your digestive system. You can drink the aloe vera gel in the morning and in the evening time, 15 to 30 milliliters per day. Second, you can take the Forever Arctic Sea, as your body needs healthy oils and of course omega-3, so you can take 6 tablets per day as a dietary supplement. Third, you can take the Forever Nature Min to regulate the minerals in your body. You can take 6 tablets as well. And lastly, you need to take the Therm because you need caffeine to boost your energy. So you can take 2 tablets during the day or before a workout, and just be careful to take it before 6 p.m.
Hello everyone. Today I'm visiting you through this short video to tell you reasons on why you should choose Forever Living. For a start, Forever is a company that has been operating in the market for the past 40 years, with continuous expansions and consistent growth in 160 countries globally. Therefore, this assures that Forever products and marketing plan has been approved by 160 governments around the world, which assures stability. Forever is a private-owned family business company. This means there are no shareholders, it's debt-free, meaning the profits for this company fall back into product development. This gives our distributors confidence that when Forever develops a new product, we make sure that it's the best in the market. So since I'm talking about the products, I'll shift to the second reason on why you should choose Forever. Forever takes the best natural sources, creates unique products out of them so that the benefits brought out of nature are also brought to each home. Forever offers different ranges of products, from the aloe drinks, personal care products, skincare products, honey products, essential oils, and weight management. The concept of Forever products is to offer people the necessity products they use on a daily basis. This means your job is to make sure your surrounding tries the products, and once they love them, be sure they will be your regular customers. So once you get the people to try the product, that's when the selling starts elevating. Don't forget also that our products are rich in vitamins, minerals, and are natural immunity boosters, and overall make sure you look better and feel better. The third reason on why you should choose Forever is its generous marketing plan. This means your payment chart is specific and explains to you exactly what you should do to achieve the results and paycheck you are looking for. Briefly, you can all make up to 35 to 48% retail value of all products people buy from you, either directly or through our user-friendly website. Every Forever business owner has their own web page which gives them access to the e-commerce site. Forever handles all the credit cards, shippings, and deliveries. All you need to do is assist your buyers with their orders. The second element of the marketing plan is introducing the Forever business to people in order for them to have their own customers, awareness in the market, and then start making 35 to 48% of all the products people buy from them. You will be paid for introducing people to your team a percentage of all their sales, to which accumulates in time to a bigger check. I'm not going to go into details on how the marketing plan works. Instead, I will keep it to the person who is right beside you that suggested you take a look at this video. There is one more reason I would like to add about why you should choose Forever. It's the environment we create that encourages our distributors to work together, share their experiences and success stories, which means even if you have zero knowledge on how to do the business, you will be taught how, and this is by attending other Forever business owners' trainings. So, to look better and feel better, you need to be Forever proud.